Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to increase sales on Teepublic in 2024. So Teepublic of course is a great platform for selling custom designs, but with the right strategy. Of course, you can boost your visibilities and sales as well. So in this video, I'll share some tips and techniques on how to optimize your store and target the right audience as well. So make sure to stick by and let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, of course, you can simply just go to tpublic.com right away. Okay, I did not type it correctly. So let me just go and retype it again. Okay, I'll just go and close this tab as an example and type, as we said, tpublic.com. Of course, if it's your first time, you'll be taken to another page, not the home page. Of course, there you can simply just go and click on create an account. Once you click on create an account, you can create your account using the normal way, or you can simply continue with Facebook if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating, or even logging in into your account. You can use one of those. Once you're logged in, you will find yourself, of course, on your account right away. So you can simply just go here and click on view my store. So the first thing that you would like to do is create endless, not endless, but a lot of your designs. You will need actually to create a lot of designs. One is not enough, two is not enough, five is not enough. So make sure to make some, I don't know, make some research, see as example people what are looking for, and make sure to create a lot of t-shirts. As example, maybe some I don't know, some caps, whatever you want. As you can see, I have just a test here, and as you can see, it's trash. To be honest, it's very trash. So if you want to increase sales in your T, of course, T public, this is not the way to do it. So what you'll need to do is create some trending designs. You can research some trending topics like pop culture reference and seasonal designs. Maybe I don't know. Maybe so even use some social media and platforms like Google Trends to understand what's currently popular. Of course, you would like also to optimize your listings. You'll have to use some descriptive and relevant keywords and titles, and not like test t-shirts for sure. And of course, description as well. Make sure to have a good description and also tags to help customers find your design very easily. Ensure that also your design looks good on various products like t-shirts, mugs, stickers, not just t-shirts. As you can see, this like rectangle here looks shit. So also, once you do this, it's time to promote on social media as an example. So you would like to share your designs on Instagram, Pinterest as example, TikTok, Twitter. You can use also relevant hashtags to attract a wide audience or a wider audience. Of course, as well as running discounts. Discounts help sales a lot. So as you can see, this it was a good like t-shirt. I guarantee you that it will sell more than if it was just $23. It's not about like the price, but it's about the discounts. People actually get attracted so much into discounts. So participate in T-Public sales and promotes these deals to your audience. T-Public also often runs sites like wide discounts, which can help boost visibility if you are still new as example. So because I just created this, they just give it all a save 30% for like 3 days. So if people go and buy it right now, it will increase a lot of visibility. Of course, make sure to also focus on, as example, a specific niche or interest or communities as example, such as maybe gamers, maybe as example fitness, book lovers as example. So don't create designs for everyone. Just create for a specific niche. Design like make sure to create design tailored to these groups and engage with them online. Also, make sure to collaborate with influencers. So partner with like some influencers or content creators who align with your target audience. They can help promote your designs to a larger audience. Make sure to also engage with T-Public community because T-Public has a community of designers and shoppers. You can also engage with other designers and customers by participating in forums or commenting on social media. Consider as well running some used paid advertising, which is run some ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Google Ads to target some potential customers interested in your design. I've made a lot of videos on how to create ads on this channel, so you can go check it out. Also, try to improve your SEO of your listing. Make them easier to find on Google. You can use keywords that customers are likely to search on the product title and description. So, for example, you can use this Google like keyword something. So, I don't know. So, I'll just type Google keyword as an example. So, yeah, a planner is it's this one, and you can see as an example which keywords are most searched for, and you can simply add those keywords in the title if it's relevant, or tags as an example. So when people look for t-shirts as an example, they will find as an example, or maybe they will look for what should we call it, like Teepublic t-shirts. So Teepublic as example t-shirts. Once they look at that, they will find an example your store maybe at the first, and they will find maybe your shirts here first. So keep that in mind, and it's very, very important. SEO ranking or optimizing for search engine is actually one of the most important parts. Also, you would like to use some high quality mockups. Ensure that your product's mockups looks professional and attractive, not like this rectangle, as this can impact whether someone decides to purchase your design or not. So if someone saw this rectangle, they will say, "What the hell is this? I'm not going to buy this trash." So make sure to have a really good design so it can attract people to buy your stuff. And I guess that's all of the things that I can give you. As a summary, of course, all you need to do, just go and create some trending designs, optimize your listing, promote on social media, run discounts and promotion, build a niche audience, collaborate with influencers, engage with the T Public community, run paid ads, optimize for search engine, and it's very, very important, and use high quality images mockups. And yeah, so that's basically gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.